What are income trading options? Income trading options involves generating consistent profits from option premiums over time, rather than chasing large short-term gains. The aim is reliable, low-risk returns through various strategies focused on collecting premiums and exploiting recurring market behaviors. Some common income trading options approaches include selling covered calls against stock holdings, steady premium collection in sideways markets with capped upside, writing cash secured puts, getting paid to wait for dips with potential cost basis discounts, combination wheel strategies, integrating covered calls and cash secured puts for versatile income potential, vertical spreads, bearish and bullish variance let sellers capitalize on range-bound movement, calendars and diagonals, time spreads capture premium from short-dated options against longer-dated positions, thematic ETFs, certain funds specializing in covered calls offer monthly distributions. Disciplined traders can construct portfolios tailored to their risk tolerance, tweaking positions over weeks or months. Key factors include underlying selection, volatility evaluation, and timely adjustments. Done efficiently with proper risk parameters, income options strategies should generate profits consistently to offset any losses, allowing for monthly or quarterly cash flow. The goal is reliable supplementary income better than fixed yield assets. Get more info from the link below.